Hello students, I am back. Class 5, subject previous, topic knowing our body and subtopic is people with disabilities. Today we are going to talk about some famous people which was actually the people with disabilities, but they doing something more successful. They become more successful more than the common person. So many people with disabilities have proved them to be even more intelligent and successful than people without a disabilities. Means many examples are present on the earth that did the something more intelligent work that proved them that they are more intelligent and successful than the people without a disability. Now we are going to talk about some people. These are the examples. First one is physicist Stephen Hawking. Physicist Stephen Hawking is a very well known person and he is a very intelligent also. He uses only his mind. Actually he had motor neuron disease. Motor neuron disease means the messages cannot go through the body parts after the brain. Means the instruction whatever the brain is giving to the body parts that are not moving through the nerves. So he had the motor neuron disease. His body parts cannot work, but he uses his mind as more as he can. So he became the most famous and intelligent people in the world. Second one is Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven was blind, but this did not stop him from being one of the world's greatest musicians. Means Ludwig van Beethoven was actually a blind person, but even he played the music instruments very well. So he became a great musician. Next one is Helen Keller. Helen Keller was blind, deaf and could not speak at all. Despite all this, she became a great scholar and devoted her life looking after people with disabilities. Helen Keller. She was actually a blind, but she can't speak also. She was can also hear. Even she became a great student in her life. He got education and after that he looking after the people with disabilities. Helen Keller using the braille because she was unable to see the things, so she using braille to do the study. Braille is a system of printing for blind people in which the letters of the alphabet and the numbers are printed as raised dots that can be read by touching them. Means Braille is a system in which the alphabets, letters are printing. These are for blind people. Letters, alphabet and numbers are printed as raised dots. So it can be read by touching them. Means these are near about raised, we can easily feel it by touch it. Suppose that you put your hand at the board, you will feel little bit smooth. But if you feel it on the tip of this marker, you will feel that it is something. So it is like the raised. So here alphabets and numbers are printed as dots. So it can be easily feel by touching them. It is important that we treat people with disabilities with respect. It's a very important point because we should treat the people with disabilities with respect. We should give them respect. We should not make them fun that their particular organ or particular body part is not working. It is not a thing. So we should give them respect. The government has also provided certain facilities to help people with disabilities. Government is also some care about these type of people. They also think and do many more things to give them proper facilities to the people with disabilities. Many colleges and educational centers have special facilities to help them. Many colleges and educational centers are also giving the facilities to the help them for the disabilities people. Doordarshan telecast special news bulletins in sign language for people who cannot hear. Doordarshan, it is a national channel of India, Doordarshan, and it telecasts the special news bulletin in sign language for the people who cannot hear. Means In these news bulletins, the reporters and the bulletin persons use their hands to make the signs for make them able to the news. There are ramps in public places for those who use wheelchairs. At the public places, ramps is also present there for the people who use the wheelchair. Means if they can't move on their legs, the wheelchair is available for them, and their ramps is also on which they can move to go the upward side. People with disabilities are neither incapable nor weak. It is also very important point that people with disabilities are not weak and not incapable. We should not think that if a person is people with disability, that person cannot do the anything, and if that person has any type of weakness. Actually, they are letting this weakness only through their body parts. But actually, if they want to use, they can use their mind as much more than the normal people. So these were the points for the today. So today's homework is done, and write these points in your EVS activity copy. You have to learn all these points, and also you have to write it in your EVS activity copy. Today's this chapter is now finished. So if you have any question related to it, you can ask to me and you can contact to me. Thank you.